Southern Chevy TV presents Miss Ruby, a 89 Chevy Caprice LS, coming out the muddy Mississippi.
Oh, you done did it now.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Chevy Box Rider here with another little update. So I got some stuff done to the OBS, man, and I decided to go ahead and lower the truck, do some other little ins and outs. So, you know, this video just showing you what all I done did to the OBS right now. So let me get this camera turned around so you can check it out. All right, YouTube, man, it's time to get some work done on this OBS, change out some stuff. So I done decided, I think I'm gonna go ahead and work on the suspension on it. Might go ahead and do the windows, get the windows tinted. Yeah, man, we gotta get some work done on here. So yeah, I think that's what I'm about to do. Oh yeah, gotta get this damn toolbox off, tint them windows. I gotta change those wheels. So yeah, man, definitely it's time. Let's get some work done. Guys, decided to go with this little Shackle kit to lower the rear end down. It was only what, $40? That's the part number I used. So I took the old shackles off, put the new ones on, and man, y'all tell me what y'all think. Got a nice little lower stance to it, as you can see. Also, I changed the wheels, went with the little GT style wheels. Well, tires, I should say. But all it is, I just pulled them off the C10 and threw them on there. But tell you what, give y'all a little video of me doing what I was doing. So give me one. Old shackle with the worn out bushing, as you see. New shackle, new bushings. Let's get it up there. Got them in now. So I think this is about a 2-inch drop. I got them on that side and on the other side. So it brought it down pretty good. Yep. So I think I might go ahead and replace that mount right there and drop it down a little bit more. I forgot what they call it, but it has a nice little stance to it. Then too, by the way, I went on ahead and tinted the windows, did that. The next step for it is I'm gonna do all the front steering linkage in it. I'm gonna change all that sway bar bushings, pitman arms, all that. I'm gonna do all that in the front, and I'm gonna put some better springs on the front, because I think that will lift the front end up just a little bit. So, but yeah, you know, she coming along, little project OBS, and you know the LS swap is coming. I ain't doing it right now, but the LS swap is coming. So, man, just stick with your boy on this little project, man, because what I got coming forward is gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. New hood coming, something new in the back. Man, I think y'all gonna like it. Whole new grill has been ordered, new headlights been ordered, waiting on that to come in. It's gonna be nice, man, when I get done with it. Just gonna be a little daily, nothing too special, but LS is coming. LS is coming. So yeah, just want to give y'all a video of that, what's going on. In the meantime, I'm waiting for Ruby, you know. So this your boy, Chevy Box Rider, signing out.
Southern Chevy TV.